part 9, and I'm going to try to just end it now, at least this section of it. So whatever we get done in this 5-minute thing, we're done, and we'll start a different session. I think I hit most of the main things. What I was wanting to get at is that this does at least do an expect check, and let's go fix it now. So we want the valid user, and let's rerun it again. And there's some other things, like I was doing some environmental feeding of variables so that it can kind of start and stop the test based upon environmental variable, a bunch of stuff just to make my life or the testers life easier. Okay, so so I gotta, oh duh, I didn't want that, I wanted that. The only thing that I'd like to cover too is just how to do the feature editing. But here, let's finish this off, because this is kind of like the normal mode. Did I save it? Yes, I saved it. Okay, so I'm going to run this a test, and we should get it. It should pass this time. But that's the iteration I'm after. The hard part of this for me right now is just dangling in that DOM, and I'm pretty sure I can bust through and get the save little bit that's fixed already, tested. Okay, there we got passing, and a lot of times I like to do it one more time just to check, because there's been issues. I don't know if it's me or sometimes the cache or whatever, but I've ran it twice and it doesn't get the same thing. Yeah, so there's like 3 things that we have that we could make notes in, which is one is the documentation stuff. Let's just do a little bit of documentation. So what, like we're in this in that feature page Java logging test, and let's see, what do we do? So basically all I do is I make notes in this, right? Okay, so feature, well, heck, I'll do in the whip is it I made a video thing, I can't even type, of this, of walking through this test, and then save, and you should be able to build. I'll run docs. Oops. Oh, I did mean docs. Wow. Okay, and then it should be in the local one. This is the real one. In fact, what I'll get done is when I get done with this, I'll go ahead and publish that up, and it should come up with the YouTube ones too. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, see, I forgot what I was doing. I was gonna check out the local one and go to refresh. And yeah, I made a video thing to walk through test. And I doubt that will appear in here, because I don't think I'm gonna backtrack and fill that in right now. At some point in the future, I will do one, how to do the pull request and stuff back and forth. But for now, I think this is good enough, and you should find this if you go out on read the docs, and if you go to the main, and it should appear right here. So this document, and that's kind of what we're doing, and that's what I'll be putting in, and then all the videos will show up there. And I'll try to fill this in a little bit better.